Getting rich from zero, it's hard, it's rare, and it's usually slow. But look, if I can do it, I mean, I'm dyslexic, high school education, no formal education here, blue collar working class neighborhood. My father was a sheet metal mechanic and my mother was a waitress. So you can do this too. And it has nothing to do with education. It has to do with your mindset. Because most overnight successes, it took years of grinding. And you got to be realistic. There's no BS roadmap that's worked for you or for anybody else, because you need more money coming in than it's going out. So think about side hustles, multiple streams of income. I mean, whether it's Uber or DoorDash or Amazon, whatever it is, your goal should be to bring in more money than you actually are spending. And that's the bottom line with most people who have made millions. They're still very frugal. You might see it on Instagram, but it's not really the reality. You cut expenses to the bone. You know, you look for ways to save money. I mean, I've eaten rice and beans and I've canceled subscriptions and I've had roommates before helping to pay for things. But when I had that little extra money, then I set that into something that was earning me more money while I was doing my full-time job. So you think about what your skill set is. What do you like to do? What can you do? What knowledge do you have? You know, sales or trade, what kind of a thing can you do? Can you buy something? Can you sell it? You know, it's about that. It's about monetize the skills that you have. As I said, you know, if you're good at one thing, try to figure a way to make more money at doing that. I'm making this YouTube video right here. I'm not making any money on it, but I'm trying to be helpful, but maybe one day this channel will be monetized. So then it's the compound effect of this over years. Let's say a year from now, after you've got those money streams that are coming in, I want you to think forward, because, you know, think about it. If you did this for 2 or 5 years with extra things where you were buying and selling things, or you're making additional sales and you had your regular job and you're cutting your expenses, you can see how things would multiply. And if you get into buying things that will generate income for you while you're working, things like a rental property, things like a laundromat or a car wash, I mean, boring stuff, you reinvest that money into a business while you're doing your regular job, while you have your other hustles going. That's 3 streams of income. And when you network with other people that are like-minded and they talk about the same things, you know, you watch videos like this that are helpful. This is what you want to do. You want to surround yourself with people that are positive and making income, because your mindset's going to totally change from I'm spending money because I want to look rich to I'm getting rich. So once you do that, like I say, over 2 to 5 years, your income expands. In the 5 to 7 years, you're able to actually do things and you're going to have a little bit of money. And then in 10 years, it just constantly compounds. It's the compound effect here, guys, compound effect. The seemingly small, insignificant things that we do on a daily basis bring us our greatest returns. But here's the truth, and here's the fact. 80% fail because they didn't get that shiny car, or they didn't get that whatever it was. Their business didn't hit right away. Hey, this video probably won't get any views. So you don't give up. You know, it's not about luck. It's about obsession. And you know, people say, well, I work 70 hours a week. Well, guess what? They're working, they're hustling, they're making things happen. It's about making things happen. You know, it's not about any kind of multiple level marketing crap, because most of the time people never make money at that. I mean, somebody at the top's making money and everybody down the bottom is not. And the gambling or all the passive income courses, 99% of these things are all scams. So day one, get the side hustle going, pick up some things, study, watch videos, create some extra income for you, lower your expenses, land your first $500, $1,000, start putting it into a money market, let it earn money while you're earning money. And then when you get that seed money together, you can invest into something that's going to bring you income for long term. So wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you haven't subscribed, I'm going to be making videos here on this channel. There's a lot of helpful information. Again, if I can do this, you can do this. It doesn't take a rocket science to make this stuff happen. It's about making things happen for you. And everything moves out of the way once you make that mindset shift that you're going to get on the other side of the fence, because people have done this before And it's not about education, formal education. I mean, I think one of the most interesting things is that a formal education, it'll get you debt, it'll get you in trouble, it'll get you a job, maybe, but it doesn't guarantee that you're not going to end up being an educated derelict either. It's the mindset that puts people ahead and forward to growth and wealth. So, take care.